Curriculum and Textbooks, lecture number 4. In the previous lecture, we talked about types of textbooks and also we listed the main features of textbooks. In this lecture, we will know about advantages of textbooks, needs and importance of textbooks, and disadvantages of textbooks. Here are the advantages of textbooks. Number 1. Structured information. Textbooks provide organized and structured information, which helps in guiding the teaching process in classrooms. They ensure that all necessary topics are covered systematically. Number 2. Standardized knowledge. They provide standardized knowledge as per the curriculum, ensuring that all students have access to the same content, irrespective of the school or teacher. Number 3. Resource for homework and revision. Textbooks can be used for homework assignments and are invaluable resources for revision, helping students prepare for tests and exams. They are also a great resource when there is no access to the internet. Number 4. Teaching aid. Textbooks are a great teaching aid, especially for new teachers. They provide teachers with a ready-made curriculum and lesson plans, allowing them to focus on their teaching methods and student interaction. Number 5. Reliability. Textbooks are often written and reviewed by subject experts, ensuring the reliability and accuracy of the information. They are often based on the latest research and effective teaching strategies. This can be particularly beneficial for schools and teachers looking to maintain alignment with educational standards. Needs and importance of textbooks. Textbooks help the teacher and the pupils. They give the minimum essential knowledge at one place. It also help and self-teaching. It also provides logical and comprehensive material to ensure uniformity of good standard. It also provides a base from which both the teacher and the pupil may start and continue to work. And it also provides both confirmation and assistance to learning. Disadvantages of textbooks. Textbooks can be too much dependence on the textbooks gives temporary bookish knowledge. Also, there is a lack of direct experiences the students acquire second-hand knowledge. Also, teaching and learning become very rigid. The teacher has to teach whatever is given in the book exactly. The textbook opposes the dynamic methodology of teaching learning. They are in fact not suitable for teaching according to new progressive method. The textbooks are sometimes replacing the teacher when the students find material that are explained in the textbooks. They do not show due regard to the teacher. Variables effect of teacher planning. Number 1. The teacher. This includes his beliefs about the school and what pupils learn, his capacities to help pupils, and his understanding of the content. Number 2. The learner's development and prior knowledge, attention span, pupils' motivation, and pupils' interest. Number 3. Content includes concepts, skills, and integrated knowledge that teachers teach to their pupils. Number 4. The teaching content includes state guidelines, school policy, and leadership. Number 5. Materials and resources such as textbooks, And the last one, time. Teachers will spend much of their time gathering and arranging the physical materials to be used in activities. Benefits of planning. It organizes teachers' work inside the classroom. It also helps him to derive the most utility out of the materials he is teaching. The lesson plan integrates the teacher's ingenuity, the text material, and the special needs of the class. The last one, that the teacher can ensure economical and efficient teaching, and inspire confidence in his pupils by preparing his lessons plans carefully. In next lecture, we will know about types of planning and teaching aids. Thank you.